Turkey tetrazzini stands out as a cherished dish from the 1950s, crafted from leftover turkey, enriched with a creamy cherry sauce, and finished with breadcrumbs to enhance its texture. In contrast, porcupine meatballs emerged during the Great Depression, ingeniously combining affordable rice and meat into a cost-effective meal that families savored together. Shifting to the 1960s, lemon chicken surged in popularity, merging fresh citrus flavors with savory chicken, and it continues to be a cornerstone of Chinese-American cuisine today. Meanwhile, shrimp Newburg likely draws inspiration from lobster Newburg, exemplifying the evolution of seafood cuisine, with its historical significance enriching its culinary allure. Deviled crab, another timeless dish, surfaced in the early 20th century, becoming a favored street food among workers, showcasing the creativity of cooks who turned simple ingredients into delicious meals. Spam casserole took hold during World War II, illustrating the resourcefulness of home cooks in crafting comforting meals, thereby reflecting the adaptability of food traditions through adversity. Potato skins, first featured in a 1974 issue of Gourmet magazine, quickly established themselves in American restaurants, reaching peak popularity during the 70s and 80s. To prepare potato skins, one bakes potato halves, scoops out the insides, and fills them with cheese and bacon, resulting in a dish that is both crispy and flavorful. Beyond an appetizer, potato skins serve as a fun side dish, remaining a favorite among home cooks in search of simple snack ideas. Corning beef hash gained traction during World War II owing to rationing, utilizing canned ingredients to form a hearty meal that persists as a diner staple for its comforting nature. Chocolate rolls, tracing their origins back to the 19th century, feature a light sponge cake filled with whipped cream, captivating both taste buds and eyes alike. Blancmange, a velvety dessert with an almond flavor, has evolved from its savory beginnings into a sweet delicacy enjoyed throughout Europe, showcasing its versatility over the years. The preparation of cherry jubilee remains uncomplicated, requiring fresh or frozen cherries, sugar, and lemon juice to produce a delightful syrup, adding to its appeal for home cooks. Coca-Cola cake represents another cherished dessert, illustrating how innovative ingredients like Coca-Cola can elevate traditional recipes, resulting in a rich texture and unique flavor that delights crowds. Frog eye salad presents an amusing dish with its playful name and creamy consistency, combining pasta, fruit, and a sweet base, making it a beloved choice at potlucks. In the realm of ribbon sandwiches, popular fillings include creamy spreads, ham, chicken salad, and vegetables, allowing for both traditional and Mediterranean interpretations that enhance flavor and presentation. Salmon mousse stands out as an elegant appetizer, marrying smoked salmon with cream cheese and other ingredients to create a rich, flavorful spread, perfect for entertaining. Finally, Heavenly Hash blends marshmallows, chocolate, and nuts into a delightful dessert that offers customization with various ingredients for diverse flavors, often served chilled for a refreshing treat.